Hi, I'm Ajikumar from English Academy, Patanapuram. Our spoken English classes are continuing. See, while learning English, action words have a peculiar importance. Action words, I think, those words are most important to a beginner because we use the language to externalization of our thoughts. Most of our thoughts are related to action. Most of our emotions are related to action. So action words are most important in English language. And when we learn an action word, it is with a five-fold purpose. See what's five-fold purpose. For example, simply take the action word learn. It has five forms, everyone know. Its present form. Learn is always plural by nature. That is, every action word by its root form is always plural. So learns is the singular form. Learn plural, learn singular form. Learned its past form. At the same time, its past participle is also same, learned. And learning. So, learn plural form, learns singular form, past form learned, past participle form same, and learning ing form or present participle form. So, while improving our word power, we should give first emphasis, first importance to action words, because when we learn an action word, we get five words, right?